using scales. Get it together, buddy.
What's up, guys? We're doing a beat battle. Brooksy versus Seth. I'm gonna be the judge.
I think beat battles are good. I think that icons should be more competitive.
We should do beat battles for whoever has for like suggesting dinner places.
I'll go back.
Okay, let's hear
Oh
this.
my gosh. Shit, dog. Bro, you actually did a good job. Oh, I'm still in my head.
What's the fastest you've ever like arranged a track?
I mean, yeah, but like also when you told me that the other day with that remix, I mean, like think about it. Like the drop, we already have previously drop done. Think how long it took on the other remix, how long that fucking took,
yeah.
and like how better this one I think is.
Now you have more time to sweat on the.
I guarantee you we have loads of headroom right now.
Does it give you anxiety when they send you the template to use for the assignment and it doesn't have any of your routing? You're working on the processing?
Well, yeah, but I mean, the sound,
Working on the processing for this track.
the sound isn't even playing.
Probably because you didn't have your chair.
No, that's not why.
It's probably because you're trying to use your mouse on a deflated air mattress.
Tell me this sound isn't sex.
If that was what my sex sounded like, I would hate it. That sounds way better. Like that sounds like my sex sound.
Purely based off of just preparedness alone. I think we gotta give it to.
Oh, fully! Seth fully deserves it. Yeah.
I think this is better than the original. I need to call it Shaka Khan. But I hope.
I kind of like that.
They're just gonna be like another white boy ruined our tracks.
Yeah, another white kid. I've got.
What are we doing next?
Groove Theory.
What
You
are we
didn't
doing
finish
now?
your track.
What are
You
we
didn't finish
doing
your
now?
track.
Bro, I'll finish it later.
Do it now. I'll help you. Let's go.